Good afternoon. A to Z Information Channel welcomes you. In today's video, we are going to see about Nilgiri Mountain Railways, shortly called as NMR, is a 1000 millimeter 3 feet 3 inch meter gauge railway system in Tamil Nadu built by Britishers in 1908. The iconic Nilgiri Mountain Railway or toy train is one of the key attractions of the famous hill station Ooty in Tamil Nadu. This quaint and charming toy train was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 2005. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway covers a total distance of 46 km in 5 hours, and what a stunning journey it was. The railway relies on its fleet of steam locomotives. NMR switched to diesel locomotives on the section between Kunnur and Ooty. In 1854, plans were made by Britishers to build a mountain railway system from Mettupalayam to Nilgiri Hills. The line was completed and opened for traffic in June 1899. The construction of the railway track was not so easy given the challenges of mountainous terrains. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway track is a marvel of engineering. It was operated first by the Madras Railway under an agreement with government. The Madras Railway Company continued to manage the railway line on behalf of the government for a long time until the South Indian Railway Company purchased it. Initially, Kunnur was the final station on the line. In September 1908, then the line was extended up to Fern Hill. By 15th October 1908, finally it was extended up to Ooty. Between Mettupalayam and Kunnur, the line uses rack and pinion system, which is also known as cog wheel, to climb the steep gradient. The NMR is the only rack and pinion system in the subcontinent. NMR uses X-class steam rack locomotives manufactured by Swiss Locomotive and Machine Works in Switzerland on the rack system. The X-class locomotives are 6 to 8 decades old. These locomotives give NMR a distinct charm, taking scores of passengers to Kunnur and Ooty, crossing 45.8 kilometers, 108 curves, 16 tunnels, and 250 bridges. The uphill journey takes around 5 hours, and the downhill journey takes around 4 hours. It has the steepest track in Asia with a maximum gradient of 8.33%. The train ride begins at Mettupalayam, which is a small place along the river Bhavani. It chugs along flat plains for the first 5 kilometers. Then it will ascend rapidly in the next 12 kilometers to a height of 4,363 feet. The Nilgiri Mountain Railway has following stopovers, namely Kalar, Adarli, Hillgrove, Rannimedu, Kunnur, Wellington, Aravankadu, Ketti, Fern Hill on the route between Mettupalayam and Ooty. The stretch begins with pretty paddy fields all in a row from Mettupalayam to Kalar. The next part of the course comprises a rocky trail spanning a distance of 21 kilometers from Kalar to Kunnur. The route is filled with twists and turns and that wind their way through several tunnels. The train soon climbs up a steep rise from Kunnur to Fern Hill, which is the topmost point on the route. Finally, the track makes a slight route downwards down to Ooty, the largest hill station in the Nilgiri mountain. We can be able to see lot of tea plantations on both sides surround the Nilgiri mountain railway track running through Kunnur. The Nilgiri mountain railway still uses an old steam engine to climb the hills. The signature whistling sound of the steam engine is etched in our memory through movie. The steam engine of the Nilgiri mountain railway is filled with water at regular intervals. To keep it going, the train stops for an average of 10 to 15 minutes at these stations. The train is painted in blue and cream with rustic wooden coaches that have large windows that offer the most stunning views. The train has both first class and general class compartments. The first class compartments offers a more comfortable journey. You can book tickets 2 months before the date of your trip on the IRCTC website. Guidelines and reminders for the journey. Please arrive at your starting station well before the train arrival time to avoid last minute stress. Littering the train and the landscape on the way is strictly forbidden. It is always better to be extra cautious during monsoons and in the winter fog. Bring appropriate clothing and stay protected from rains and the chilly breeze. Always show respect for culture of the state, destination and its local community. Best time to visit. The summer is the best time to visit and make the most of the Nilagiri Mountain Railway journey. Escape the stifling heat everywhere else in the country and embark on your train journey during this time. Thanks for seeing this video. Next video will be released soon about Ooty. Please share and subscribe.